think we got it. I think we got it, Paolo. We got it. That's the best thing that's ever happened. Oh, you don't like those cages either, hey?
Yeah. Crab against the wall. Crab against the wall. Oh! Watch your hands, bitch. Get your Mexican motherfucking hand away from me, bitch. Nigga, I don't play. Yeah, I do not play, motherfucker. Yeah, I am the motherfucking man crab. Fuck you, bitch. Wait till you see my other knife, motherfucker. Back off, bitch. What the fuck you think you doing, Mexican? Get your motherfucking hands away from me, bitch. I'm the crab man. I know your mama, motherfucker. Yeah, fuck off, motherfucker. Oh yeah, I'm original OG. I'm a OG crab, motherfucker. I'm with the motherfucking crustacean crew, motherfucker. Yeah, when I send my crew over here, you won't be using your motherfucking hands. Yeah, I got an octopus, a whale, and some giant motherfucking turtles gonna fuck you up. Wait till my crew gets here. You won't put your hands on me. No one fucks with King Crab, motherfucker.
Oh my god, it's so funny, you die.
Hey, lady, yo, bite the fuck you gonna bite. Hey, buku, no. Kamu jauh. Kau wena. Kau boleh lari. Kau pasal. Kau mila. Kau pasal. Kau wena. Ah! Oh boy, mata boy. Maro bosan. Bismillah.